The journey of smartphones, from brick to pocket wizard. A revolutionary beginning. Imagine holding a device in your hand that allows you to connect with anyone, anywhere, and at any time. In the 1970s, this seemed like science fiction. The first mobile phones were as large as bricks and weighed a hefty 2.5 pounds. They were not just impractical, they were a symbol of luxury reserved for the elite. But did anyone foresee that these bulky devices would evolve into sophisticated smartphones we carry today? The first real mobile phone. The transformation began with the introduction of the Motorola Dynatac 8000X in 1983. This was the first commercially available mobile phone. Users could talk for 30 minutes after charging it for 10 whole hours. Though it was a breakthrough in technology, the high price kept it out of reach for most. Yet, this initial step paved the way for innovation that would follow. The 90s, a new age of communication. As the 1990s rolled in, mobile phones began to shrink in size. Companies like Nokia introduced devices that could fit comfortably in a pocket. Text messaging transformed communication, allowing people to exchange short messages almost instantaneously. What started as simple text soon expanded. Suddenly, everyone wanted to know who could send the coolest message. The arrival of smartphones. In the early 2000s, a new generation of phones emerged. These were no longer just for calls and texts. They could access the internet and run apps. The launch of the BlackBerry and the first iPhone in 2007 changed everything. With innovative touchscreens and user-friendly designs, they made smartphones accessible to the average person. The app revolution. The term smartphone took on new meaning as thousands of applications became available. People could start using their devices for almost anything: shopping, communicating, and navigating. The introduction of the App Store in 2008 sent smartphone usage soaring. Suddenly, people realized their phones had the potential to be personal assistants that fit in their pockets. A surprising twist. Many believe smartphones are primarily designed for communication. However, they are also powerful tools for learning. Research shows that a significant number of people use their devices for educational content. This means that your smartphone could be helping you learn a new language or skill without you even realizing it. Isn't it fascinating how something primarily seen as a distraction can also be a source of knowledge? Changing social norms. Smartphones also transformed social interactions. Face-to-face meetings have been replaced by text messages, video calls, and social media posts. This shift is remarkable but brings its challenges. Many people feel isolated despite being more connected than ever. Could it be that while technology brings us together digitally, it separates us physically? The future of smartphones. As we look ahead, the evolution of smartphones continues rapidly. Features like artificial intelligence, augmented reality, and foldable screens are becoming common. Investors are eager to see what the next breakthrough will be. Will we one day have smartphones that can predict our needs before we even ask? The crossroad of convenience and distraction. While smartphones enhance convenience, they also present challenges. With constant notifications and social media updates, smart can sometimes feel overwhelming. As we become more dependent on our devices, it raises critical questions. How do we find a balance between utilizing technology and enjoying real-life interactions? Your thoughts on the change. How have smartphones impacted your life positively or negatively? Do you feel they have helped connect you with others, or do you think they lead to more isolation? Share your experiences. Conclusion: an ongoing adventure. The evolution of smartphones has been an adventure filled with innovation, challenges, and surprises. From a simple communication tool to an essential aspect of daily life, they continue to change how we connect with the world. The journey is far from over, and the future holds many possibilities. What wonders might your next smartphone possess?